How to back up photos and videos to Google Photos. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up your photos and videos to Google Photos. Google Photos is a fantastic service that allows you to securely store and organize your media in the cloud. Let's get started. If you haven't already, go to the App Store iOS or Google Play Store and download the Google Photos app. Sign into your Google account or create one if you don't have one already. Open the Google Photos app on your smartphone or tablet. Upon opening, Google Photos will prompt you to enable backup and sync. This feature automatically uploads your photos and videos to your Google account. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon and select Settings. Go to Backup and Sync and customize settings like upload size, high quality or original quality, and whether to use cellular data for backup. Return to the main screen of Google Photos and tap on Backup and Sync to start the backup process. Your photos and videos will now be uploaded to Google Photos. Once backed up, you can access your photos and videos from any device by signing into your Google Photos with the same Google account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to back up your photos and videos to Google Photos. It's a convenient way to keep your memories safe and easily accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.